In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Pipedrive. Whether you're a seasoned Pipedrive user or just embarking on your CRM journey, understanding how to import data efficiently can save you significant time and effort. So, let's get started with this step-by-step guide. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Pipedrive's main website. You can easily do this by typing Pipedrive into your search bar and clicking on their official site. This robust sales CRM and pipeline management software is designed to streamline your sales processes, and keeping your data organized is a fundamental step. Once on the website, directing your attention to the top right corner, you'll find the Login button. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you'll input your credentials. If you're already a member, enter your username and password, then click Login. If you're not yet registered, you may need to sign up, but for today, we're focusing on those who already have an account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Pipedrive homepage. This is your command center for all things sales-related. From here, you'll manage contacts, track deals, and importantly, import new data. On this page, look for your profile icon, usually located towards the top navigation bar. Click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu with various options. From your profile drop-down menu, locate an option that says Tools. This section is crucial as it houses many utilities that can aid in your Pipedrive experience, from automation features to data importation tools. Now, it's time to shift our focus to the Import Data section. Clicking on this will guide you to a new interface dedicated to bringing new data into your Pipedrive account. Here you have various options, such as uploading a CSV file or linking to external sources. Ensure your data file is organized and formatted correctly for a seamless import. Proper preparation means checking that the column headers in your spreadsheet align with Pipedrive's fields, ensuring there's minimal hassle during the import process. Once you're satisfied with your file setup and mapping, commence the import. You may have to sit tight for a few moments as Pipedrive processes your data, ensuring everything aligns with your existing records. There you have it. You've just completed importing data into Pipedrive. Regularly updating your CRM with current data not only keeps your sales processes running smoothly, but also enhances your ability to make informed decisions based on accurate insights. So keep this guide handy for all your future data import needs.